Here we are, folks, downtown Lusk, Wyoming. It ain't ice cream, it ain't a treat, but it is a blizzard. Really got the least of it here compared to some other folks, but just wanted to show everybody what it's like. We've had a bit of wind, snowdrifts, definitely not fun. There's some folks probably getting, really hammered. You can just see like the wind just blowing. I mean, it's cold out. I think it's like 10 degrees right now. Just howling. I mean, it's something else here. One of my first winters out here. Just to give you a little bit of footage, I'm just down here in the downtown, giving a little taste of it, trying to zoom in. I'm not going to be out here too long. It is cold, and I got to take a glove off just to run this. But well, we're dreaming of a white Christmas. I guess we got it. So enjoy, folks. Stay warm, stay safe. Try to stay off the roads. Take care. Bye.